from Asus Dual, the model for a 3060 Ti, 8 gigs, and let's see what's inside the box. Hello guys, welcome back, and today I bring you the unboxing of an Asus RTX 3060 Ti dual model LHR, light hash rate, and 8 gigs, PCI Express 4, you already know all that, and let's see what's inside the box. Let's see what's inside. Let's just start by this end, maybe. Yeah. Before I open the box, just gonna have a quick look at the specs on the outside. This is a 8 gigs DDR6 PCI Express 4.0. The dual is probably for the dual fan, light hash rate, 3060 Ti, Ampere, DLSS, and so on and so on. So what we have here, what are they selling us? Axial tech design, so smaller hub fan, blah blah blah, more air pressure, protective backplate, so this way you won't have much of a GPU sag. Dual BIOS, toggle between quiet and performance BIOS profiles with the hardware switch. There's a switch on the GPU, we're gonna check in a few moments. Software, there's XSplit premium license. I don't know if this is for streaming from the GPU. If you know, leave a comment below. If you use XSplit, please comment below. Tell me what it is, because usually I don't stream on my GPUs. And it comes with 3 display ports and two HDMIs, and that's about it for the outside of the box features, and comes with 3 years limited warranty. So I've opened, I think it was this end, yes. Let's just see if I can get my nails here, yeah. It's very, very tight. Okay, there we go. And it comes with subtle lighting, so there's no big RGB fuss. Search of incredible. Nice. Got a bit of a bump here from the box. Dun dun dun. Well, here she is. How do we open this? We remove this. It comes in kind of packing steps. Where's the packing steps? Oh, over here. It comes with packing steps. I usually see this kind of packing on laptops. Before we unpack it, just gonna have a quick look what's inside here. Asus Quick Speed, that's the software probably. Thank you, you're welcome. And dual overclocking and heat dissipation. Okay, it's just like a card, nothing else, not a sticker. Chinese, many languages. Yeah, connect the PCIe, 8 pins, blah blah blah, blah blah blah. Forget about this right now. I'm just gonna pack all of this. Okay, first look. Dual fan. Here you can see the top of the GPU. And usually we open this and open on this side. Then here at the bottom, I'm just going to show you how to unbox. See this? You're going to have to open these parts. This one on top and one at the bottom. So I'm just going to open it to the sides, and the GPU is free to move. Okay, what we have. There's still some. It's just me hold it. This is just holding it. Okay. A lot of wrapping around here. It's quite a big GPU for a 3060. It's quite big and chunky. You know, if you have, this is a 8-pin, so you can have for comparison, you can see the 8-pin width, and you can see how many 8 pins fit here. So you can see it's quite a bit of chunky. Fans, okay, nothing fancy about it. So here we are. So display, HDMI. It says stainless steel 304, Asus, RTX. Now there was a hardware switch. Here it is. I'm gonna put this like that so you can see it. So there's a small switch here. Performance to the left, quiet to the right, and this by default comes in performance, of course. So if you want a cooler GPU, I think it will probably lower the clocks or something, so it can operate with less fan rotation, and I think that's what it does. And this one will probably put the clocks higher and also the fan. Remove protective film before use. Remember to remove all this wrapping because this will generate heat, and this needs to dissipate the heat. So don't leave your wrapping, your plastics on your GPUs, especially on the back plate. If you leave them here at front on your plastic, if you don't want to remove them for any reason, this is plastic, so there shouldn't be a problem. But on the metal parts that help with cooling, please remove them. It's not advisable to maintain them over here. I'm just going to show you a bit more here. The cooler, the heat pipes. It comes with, I see 4. There's 1, 2, 3. There's a 4th heat pipe over there. You can see. So 4 heat pipes. It's actually a split heatsink. You can see here. Heat pipes, and it's split in 2. This is one part, and this one it's actually smaller, another smaller part. You can also see here, like I was saying, there's a bigger part here, so we're gonna get some sort of focus here. So there's the heat pipes in the middle, and it's splitted. Just gonna try to show you a bit better. Okay. And it's big, and I think it has a small strip here with RGB, as I saw here on the case somewhere. Yeah, I'm just going to show you the case. It's going to be one of my unboxings. Yeah, you can see here there's some sort of RGB somewhere around here on the Asus logo, and it's pretty simple. The fans spin freely, no stress. It comes with a protective for the PCIe slot. That's about it. So just trying to see if we have something in particular other than just the clip. It's only one 8-pin connector. Some cards, I don't think 3060s usually have the 2 connectors. This is the only one. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed this very quick unboxing, and see you next time.